First, open the collection where you want to import your data and click on Import ARC Export. After, click on Import CSV. Now click on Choose a CSV file and upload the file from your device. Once the file is uploaded, click on Next. Now comes the key step, field mapping. Each column in your CSV needs to match a property in Attio. Attio will suggest matches for common fields like name, email, or job title. Confirm or adjust as needed. If a column doesn't match any existing property, click Select Attribute and search for it to define a new one instantly. Once all fields are mapped, review the summary to make sure nothing's missing or misaligned. Then click on Continue. Finally, click on Start Import. Click again on Start Import to confirm.